In this video, you'll learn how to change your email address on Notion. This process involves several steps that will guide you through updating your contact information securely and efficiently. Start by navigating to the Notion website, open your preferred web browser, and enter notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage, which features a clean, user-friendly interface. Next, locate your profile space. This can typically be found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon or your initials, and a drop-down menu will appear, displaying various account options. After that, select Add Another Account from the drop-down menu. This option allows you to add a new email address to your existing account. A new screen will appear, prompting you to enter your new email information. Then click on Add an Account. This action will take you to a form where you can input the new email address you wish to use. Ensure that you enter the correct email to avoid any issues during the verification process. Once you've filled in the new email address, click on Email. This step is crucial as it confirms the email address you want to associate with your Notion account. After clicking this option, you may see a loading indicator as the system processes your request. Following this, click on Continue. Notion will then prepare to send a verification code to your new email address. Be patient while this action processes, as it may take a few moments. Now, check your new email inbox for a verification code from Notion. Once you receive it, return to the Notion interface and click on Verification Code. This will open a prompt where you can enter the code you received. After entering the verification code, click on Continue. This action confirms that you have access to the new email address and allows the system to proceed with the updates. Next, click on Close to exit the verification prompt. This action will return you to your profile space, where you can review your account details. Then, click on your profile space again to access the settings. This is where you can manage your account preferences and make additional changes if necessary. In the settings menu, click on Account. This option provides access to your account details, including your email preferences. Next, locate and click on Change Email. This will initiate the process of updating your email address within the Notion system. Once you see the prompt, click on Continue to proceed with the email change process. The system will prepare to send another verification email to your new address. Be aware that a verification email will be sent to the new email address you just provided. This is a security measure to ensure that you own the email. After receiving the verification email, paste the verification code into the designated field within Notion. This step is necessary to finalize the email address change. Finally, click on Change Email. This action will complete the process and you should receive a confirmation that your email address has been successfully updated. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.